Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be going through my makeup emergency car bag. I want to show you guys what I carry in here, what essentials I have in here. It's almost like an equivalent to like a what's in my bag, but this is my emergency car beauty to the rescue bag that I carry in my car, and whenever I need anything beauty related or whatever, I have it in here. So I want to show you guys the products that I carry in here, what products you should have in your emergency beauty car bag. So if you want to see the products that I have in here, obviously just keep on watching. I did put this together sometime last year, I believe, when I revamped my car and bratified it. I did also make this bag as well, just to have some beauty products with me along the way. Sometimes on my journey, you know, you need something. It doesn't fit in the glove compartment. I just kind of toss it in the trunk, but it comes in handy, girl, sometimes. So if you want to see what's in here, just keep on watching. First off, let's start with the bag itself. It says washable on it. I don't even remember where I purchased this. It might have been Five Below, maybe, or maybe Shein some time ago. I honestly don't remember. It was meant to be like a makeup travel bag, which I have used it, you know, for that purpose before, but I thought it's like the perfect size to have just like the products that I need at my disposal. So let's get in here. This is what we're looking like on the inside. This bag also does have some like little pockets where you can put like your makeup brushes if that's what you want. Okay, let's see. I have not come in here in a while. So first off, I have a little bag of this looks like weird. Why is this in here? I don't know, but it's a bag of gloves, just in case. You never know when you're gonna need gloves. I don't know why it's in here specifically, but I guess I tossed it in here some time ago. Again, just gloves. You never know when you're gonna need them, so I have quite a few of those. I have my little Mickey Mouse brush. Honestly, no idea where I purchased this. Might have been Miniso, but it's so cute. It's pink. It's like a cute little travel size moment. Whenever I need a hairbrush, I have this at my disposal, and it's really cute. Again, travel size, travel friendly. It's pink. I honestly was in my pink phase when I was putting this together, so everything in here is mostly pink. So this is so cute. So I have my brush in here. You never know. This little set I actually did purchase from the Dollar Tree. It comes with a nail clipper, some scissors. It comes with some little like a brow plucker. It comes with all the little essentials that you can possibly need in this little set. So I have this in my little emergency kit, especially like when I don't have my nails on and my nails break, like my real nails. I love to have a little nail clipper wherever I go, so I love that. And then you get the little scissors as well. Everything that you need in this little case, again from Dollar Tree. It's just essential. You never know when you're gonna need a pen, so I have my Barbie pen in here. This is so cute. It also does light up. Look at that, girl. You never know when you're gonna need a pen, so I do have my pen in here. Have not had a chance to use it, but it's so cute. We have a little bag in here for some reason, don't know, but it's cheetah print. This was from Dollar Tree. Again, we have beauty essentials in here. So we have my LA Colors powder in the shade Nude. I also do have one in my purse, a powder from She Glam that I really love and enjoy and use all the time. But if I'm ever in a pinch and I need my LA Colors powder, I have it in here, again in the shade Nude. It's just perfect. I have a mirror. This is my little mermaid mirror that I got from Miniso. It's so cute. Look at that. You guys know I've been into purple as of late. And again, a mirror, essential to have in your emergency kit. We have some hand sanitizers in here. This is the Cherry Marmalade Antibacterial Hand Gel. Little hand sanitizer moment. Also pink. So cute. Everything in here is pink and girly. LA Colors Hydrating Face Mist in Rose. Yep. There's still some in there, and this is perfect for like a hot day as well, just to hydrate your skin. These are so good, and I love that they're super like travel friendly as well. A nail file. How cute is that? It's nice and glittery as well. We have a mascara. I don't think I've opened this, and I will not open it until I actually need it. LA Colors mascara in Hourglass. This is their black version. I think it's just like an hourglass shaped wand. So I do carry a mascara in here, just, you know, you never know. We have the Kaja Wing Stamp Wing Eyeliner Pen. honestly, like a lot of these things I forgot about. This is perfect just to have, but honestly I forgot I had this, so I'm glad that we're doing this so I can kind of remember the products that are in here, because liner is definitely a product that I like whenever my eyes are watery or something happens and my liner smudges. I don't really have an eyeliner in my disposal, in my purse or anything, so now I know I have it in here. I forgot about this one from Kaja. We have a eyelash glue. This is Iona Cosmetics Everlasting Lash Glue in Clear. These tend to like dry up really fast, so I don't know if I'll really like trust that. I do have it in my purse. We have this Be Pure Glitter Rollerball Fragrance, and this is also from Dollar Tree. This smells so good. It's like a little rollerball perfume, and it has some glitters in it. It's really cute, so that's also in here. We have a little lip balm. These come in handy a lot, girl. So this is a Make Me Up Cotton Candy Scented Lip Balm. Pretty much everything in here is Dollar Tree. This is also from the Dollar Tree. Lip balm is definitely something that I need to have in my disposal everywhere. We have like a lot of Dollar Tree things in here, as well as Miniso like Barbie things as well. We have my Coco Kind Daily SPF Facial Screen Lotion. I completely forgot about this. I don't know if this is even... Yeah, this is expired, so good thing we're doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and toss. Yeah, you don't want to play with expired sunscreen, girl. We have my AOA Studio Lip Makeup Remover Pads. These come in handy quite a bit as well. Whenever I want to remove my liquid lipstick or whatever, I have these little pads from Sean Miss A, which I really enjoy. So I need to repurchase a couple more of these. They have the lip one as well as the makeup remover pads, which again come in handy so much. We have these She Glam Mattifying Face Blotting Papers. I do have oily skin, so these do come in handy. I just kind of forget to use them, to be honest. I love the fact that it comes with a mirror, and you also do get this little like poof thing that the blotting papers stick to. It's so cool. So you don't have to like grab it with your hand. You just kind of go on in with a little sponge, and yeah, this is just perfect to have just in case. We have a little knitting kit in here. I came across at the Dollar Tree as well. It's pink, it's cute. You never know when you're gonna need to sew something, I guess. So I have that in here. Never really had to use it, but it's in there in case somebody needs it. We have some little sticky notes. You never know when you're gonna have to write something down that's important, and they're also pink, and it's a little strawberry. Be Pure Cherry Lip Gloss. I forgot about this. This is adorable. Everything in here is cutesy. It's pink, it's Barbie, it's Dollar Tree. So cute. Okay, we're getting into Miniso things. We have the Barbie collection nail polish, and this is so cute in the shade, what shade are you? 09. So they do have a couple of shades available at Miniso, and I've actually have used this on the go. So whenever I remove my press-on nails, I had this, and I just kind of like polish my nails, and I love the color as well. It's so cute. We also do have this little baby, which is the Barbie little nail clippers. It comes with a set of 2 in here, so I'm good when it comes to nail clippers, girl. This was $4.99 at Miniso. How adorable. And it comes with a little carry case as well. We have my Barbie hair clip, also from Miniso, as well. This little like scrunchy vibe from the Dollar Tree. Just kind of keep them together, so you never know when you're gonna need a hair clip. Oh, I forgot I have my lotion in here. Barbie hand lotion, also from Miniso. Again, everything's pink, everything's Barbie. I really love this line of hand lotions from Miniso. They're really good, so yeah, love that. But yet another lip balm. This is from Dollar Tree, my little cat lip balm. Again, you never know when you're gonna need lip balm. Here's the other fragrance ball from Dollar Tree. This is a Be Pure one. Again, comes with a little roller moment. These smell amazing. So if you're into little like glitter ball fragrances, I think you're really gonna enjoy these. I think they're still available at Dollar Tree. A few things in here, girl. We have the Tide to Go pen, little like stain remover, which is also just a goodie to have. You never know when you're gonna get a stain, girl. We have the Beauty Creations Barely Blushing Liquid Blush. And what shade are you? Pink Rose. It's so cute, just in case you need a little bit of blush, girl. I got you. We have some press-on nails in here. These are the Spirit 24 press-on nails from the Barbie collection. How cute are these? Completely forgot they were in here. And I think these are the ones, yeah, you don't need nail glue. It just comes, they already have like pre-glued sticky stuff on there. These were $8.99. I believe I got these at Spencer's, so These are so cute. Pack of the cotton swabs from Shop Miss A. These little like black ones come in handy so much. I love cotton swabs. So I love that it comes in a little pack and they're ready to go for $1. I have my A+ hair finishing taming wand. I've spoken about this before. I have one in my purse. I love this product. It's so good. It's like a little mascara. It basically just tames your flyaways and stuff. So really love and enjoy this product, and that's why it's everywhere. Oh, perfect. I actually did need a new one of these. So this is the Kiss Mega Hold Pink Nail Glue. Yay, I have a new one because I was in a desperate need. Oh yeah, this is a new one too. Okay, I'm actually gonna take this out of here. I need it like ASAP. We have this cute little moment from Miniso, and this is part of the Barbie collection as well. And this is basically like a little set of brushes. So the first one is that one, then you can use like this one next, like a little lip brush. We also have this like angled brush. So it comes with a set of 4 little things in here from their Barbie collection. We have the W7 Very Vegan. I think this is a lip gloss. I don't know. It might be a lip gloss. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. There it is. Ooh, it smells good too. Okay, good to know. We have this little moment, which is from the Dollar Tree. These also, I believe, come in a set of 2, and this is basically just like a little razor. If you ever need to do your brows on the go, or you have your little stash going, you want to remove it, these are really good to have, and it like open and closes perfectly. So cute. My hair ties in here as well. You never know you're gonna need that. We have a little makeup poof, so we can use with the powder, which has not been used. And lastly in here, we have some little band-aids as well, which is perfect to have because sometimes you just never know when you're gonna get a cut. Everything in this bag. This is literally everything that I have in my emergency car kit for beauty and just like essentials that I may need on the go. This is a great way to remind myself what I have so I can actually use some of these products, but also it's making me think of what else I can add in here to have on the go with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, an equivalent of a what's in my purse. I'm actually gonna put that, I'm gonna put this video in that playlist. So if you want to see my other like what's in my purse videos, I'm gonna have it down below, and we're just gonna add this video to that playlist because it's basically that. It's just things that I need on the go. So if you like this type of video, let me know in the comments. Do you carry a makeup car emergency kit? Let me know what you carry in yours. What do I need to add in mine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.